Okay guys, welcome to Astrotech GH. Do you know you can create multiple WhatsApp accounts? In this video, I'm coming to show you how to create multiple WhatsApp accounts. So without wasting much of your time, open your WhatsApp. After opening your WhatsApp, the three dots at the top right corner, click on it. Just click on it. After clicking on it, then click on settings. After clicking on settings, you will see this button besides the profile picture of your WhatsApp account. Just click on it. So as you can see, this is our WhatsApp account and we can add another account to it. So to add another WhatsApp account, just click on add account. After clicking on add account, this page will open. Click on agree and continue. After clicking on agree to continue, you have to provide your WhatsApp number, or you have to provide your number. In case you are using a 2 SIM card, you just type in your second phone number here and click on next. After clicking on next, your second WhatsApp account will be created for you. And then here, note, you cannot use the number you have already used to create your WhatsApp account here. So you will need a new number to be able to create another WhatsApp account, or to add another WhatsApp account to your previous WhatsApp account. So that is how to create a multiple WhatsApp account. If you find this video helpful, kindly hit the subscribe button and turn on the post notification bell. So whenever I drop a new video, you will get notified. See you in my next video. Thank you.